Yes, students, last time we are discussing about the combination of the resistance in series and parallel. That I have tell you about the series and parallel. Then in series and parallel we have to discuss about the some points that is, for example, equivalent resistance. In series more than the highest register, हाईएस्ट रजिस्टर से इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस ज़्यादा होता है सीरीज में, और पैरेलल में लेस देन द इक्वल टू द लोएस्ट रेजिस्टेंस, और अमाउंट ऑफ करंट इज लेस एज रजिस्टर इज मोर, करंट इज मोर एज resistance is more than the in parallel. Switching on off, if one appliance is switched off, other also do not work. In series combination, if one appliance is switched off, other will do not work. And in parallel, if one appliance is switched off, others work independently. Appliance failure, if one appliance stop working, none of the appliance will work. If one appliance stop working, other will work independently. There is always ask the question, is series combination is better than the parallel? Your answer is parallel combination is better. In our household domestic electric circuit, there is a parallel is used. This point you must always remember. In our domestic electricity circuit, there is a parallel combination is used. Potential difference, each appliance receive the maximum potential difference in the series, and in potential difference is divided so as appliance receive less potential difference. Heating effect of electric current, when electricity is passing through a high resistance wire like a nichrome wire. Here one point also must know which wire is used for the heating device. You say nichrome wire, the resistance wire becomes very hot and produces heat. This is called heating effect of the electric current. The nichrome wire has high resistance, so it gives the heating effect, and that is the heating effect of the electric gun. I also repeated it, heating effect of electric gun. When electricity passes through a high resistance wire like a nichrome wire, the resistance wire become very hot and produces heat. This is called the heating effect of electric current. James Prescott Joule is a scientist who gave the heating effect of the, this is also known as the Joule's effect of the heating effect. Was an English physicist born in Salford, and this led to the law of the conservation of energy and led to the development of the law of thermodynamics. You also study the James Prescott life cycle in the NCRT book also. The SI, the derived units for the energy joule, and is named of the James Joule. He worked with Lord Kelvin. Kelvin scale is also used to measure the temperature also, to develop the absolute scale of the temperature. Joule also made a observation of the magnetization, and he found the relationship between the current through a resistance and the disappeared, which is also known as Joule's first law. Joule's law of heating effect. Joule's law, an electric current I is flowing through the resistance having a resistance equal to R. The potential difference through the resistance is equal to V. The charge Q flow through electric circuit for the time T. The work done by the moving charge Q of the potential difference V is potential difference V is equal to VQ, and Q is the flow through the circuit for a time T. Circuit from a time T. The heat produced in wire is directly proportional to square of the current. Heat produced in the wire is directly proportional to square of the current, resistance of the wire, time for which current is passed. On these factor, heating factor is square of the current, resistance of the wire, time for which current is passed. Application of heating effect, and incandescent light bulb glows, electric stoves and other electric heaters work on this principle. Iron and the cartridge heating electric fuse really to depend upon this. The electronic cigars and the thermoresistance and resistance of thermometers are also effect on the heating effect of electric energy. We know that H is equal to I square RT. This formula you must know. heating H is equal to I square RT gives the rate at which electric energy is disappeared, consumed or the electric circuit. This is also termed as the electric power. The power is equal to given current into voltage. Power is given into current into voltage. There is always a numerical ask on this formula also. Power is equal to current into voltage. Power is also given by I square R or is equal to V square R. Power is also given as I square R or the V square R. The SI unit of electric power is watt. It is the power consumed by the device that carries a current when operated at a potential difference of the 1 volt. Thus, 1 watt is equal to 1 volt into 1 ampere. 1 volt into 1. The unit watt is also small. Therefore, in actual device, we use much the larger unit called the kilowatt. It is equal to 1000 watt. Since electric energy is the product of power and time. Electric energy is product of power and time consumed. 1 watt of power is used for 1 hour. The commercial unit of electric energy kilowatt hour. Commercial unit of electric kilowatt hour commonly known as unit. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1000 watt into 3600 second. 3.6 into 106 watt second, या 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joule. 1 kilowatt hour 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joule. 10 raised to power 6 joule you have done, and this we have to complete this chapter. Okay, all of you, thank you for watching this.